Breakfast delayed. It's a situation facing several patients at Kingston Public Hospital, KPH. The meals are served hours after they're scheduled, and with visiting hours way past breakfast, some patients are left hungry. But the authorities insist the matter is being addressed. Kirk Wright has the details.
At the Kingston Public Hospital, patients are typically provided with breakfast around 7 or 8 every morning. But up to 10 a.m. Monday, patients still had not received what is often described the most important meal of the day. TVJ News has learned that this situation has been happening for weeks. Basil Smith is a former patient.
They start backing it up now, getting later and later. Like the morning breakfast would be like a lunch. The lunch would be like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And then 9 o'clock for the supper. So the guy had to say, so late?
As we found out, the hospital's canteen has been closed for the past 2 weeks. Meals are currently being prepared off-site, then transported to the facility. But many are concerned at the time in which meals arrive, especially for patients who are required to eat at a specific time due to their health condition. Our news team wanted to find out if patients are able to access food elsewhere.
I doubt that unless they get a drop-off from their people. That is to support them.
They're also perturbed by the quality of the meals.
Remember, you're not going to get quality food like what you would have cooked at your house compared. So that is what causes the problem. Regional Director of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Earl Green, provided further details on the matter.
So sometimes you have a bit of delay because of traffic and so on and so forth. We're in the process of changing providers, and the new contractor has just come in, signed the contract last week, and there's just some adjustments that we are going through.
He said normalcy should be restored within the next 2 weeks. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.